Our first night in the Brecon Beacons in Wales. How was it?
It was a nice sleep, yeah.
Beautiful sleep. We're in this, they call it wild camping, but we didn't realise how wild camping is. Apparently it just means a tent and maybe a bit of food, but for us we bought
We're a bit
extra and we bought blow up beds, boxes, extra food, gas canisters to cook on, like 4 of them. We're only here 3 nights, but but we had a really nice peaceful sleep. We were right beside a nice running stream, I guess, or river, and now we're just going through the woodland, going on a really nice hike. So yeah, I'm going to share the views, share what comes up, but so far I think we've learned that we don't necessarily need all the things that we've packed, which is link it to lifestyle. There's a lot of material things that we had previously that now perhaps we don't actually need it, do we? We just need to be in nature, surrounded by places like this. What have we got tonight, dinner?
For starters, chicken Caesar salad.
And how many times have we had chicken Caesar salad on this trip?
3.
And the rest?
Oh, well, like this camping trip since yesterday. 3.
And what about the whole trip?
8 or 9 or 10.
Thank you. What way?
That way, I think.
Let's go. Let's go. This is today's lunchtime spot. How is it, Jen?
Very pretty. Picturesque.
Look at this. Does it get much better than this? I don't know, but it's incredibly peaceful, incredibly calming. And now we're just about to have a nice wrap. So yeah, enjoy the view, because we will. plan is we're going to go all the way up here, all the way along at the top, keep going, and hopefully we should have some really good views over here and over there and behind. Here we go. We're going to go for it. Are we going for it, Jen?
I don't know how far we'll get, but...
Well, I've just told everyone we're going to the top.
What?
We're going up there. This is absolutely epic. A little bit more to go, but we're nearly there. Another realisation on this walk. I thought I was a beach person, liked the ocean, liked the water, liked going for a swim in there. And then we went into a forest, and I was like, actually, I think I prefer the forest, woodlands, and being surrounded by loads of grass and ancient trees. And now I'm climbing a mountain, and guess what? I think I prefer the mountainous regions. But then I was like, actually, do you know what it is? I just like being in nature, and I never could have dreamed that there's more to life than the village pub that I grew up in. And there's more to life. Look at these views. This is why I'm like, oh, I'm a mountain person now. Isn't it so cool? We did it. Come here. I don't think the video does it justice. It's so cool. It's so cool. What you got?
I've got Welsh cakes.
Nice.
So we're in Wales.
How was it?
It's good.
Nice. How's my client?
Good. How's my packles? / Sherpa?
I'm okay. I have to carry everything all the time. Is this my husband duty? I don't know. Someone tell me. Not sure I signed up to this, but whatever. We are on the, what's this, second night of the Brecon Beacons? Yeah, second night. Yeah, we've been here for 2 nights, and we've had a very peaceful day so far. We went to bed about 10 o'clock in the evening after our big hike, and then we woke up this morning at about 10 o'clock this morning. And then all we've done is be very lazy, did some meditations, read a book, had a very late breakfast and a later lunch, and now we're just strolling through the woodland at the campsite. They're going to do another light walk, as this is a restful day, because we've done a lot in the last couple of weeks, and it feels very, very nice just to take a bit of time out to relax. Enjoy the walk with us. I thought Wales was supposed to be really rainy, really cold. It's absolutely beautiful. It's actually hot, with blue skies. Look! we're coming to the end of our walk now, and we've just been reflecting on the Brecon Beacons, haven't we, Jen?
Yeah.
And I think we're both in agreement. It's a very peaceful and spiritually rich place. Is that fair to say?
Definitely.
We've both slowed down quite a lot, reflected quite a lot, meditated quite a lot, and for me, what's the lesson? I think the lesson has been we don't need as much stuff as we thought we needed.
Yeah.
And the second lesson is, what was the second lesson? What was it?
Appreciate the small
Appreciate the small things. Like having a shower, because we've had to shower in the river. And
we've been doing a cold plunge.
a cold plunge, yeah.
Yep, so that's fun.
And then as well as that, we've also been washing up in the river.
Yeah, with like moss as like a sponge.
Yeah, I'll cut the video here to show how we're washing up.
What are you washing up with? Moss.
What was the other things?
Washing our face in the river.
Washing our face in the river.
Brushing our teeth
Brushing our teeth
in the river.
in the river. It's just been really basic, but brilliant at the same time.
Yeah.
But I am very much looking forward to the next place, which is Pembrokeshire, in a pod.
Camping pod, yeah.
So we're going to be
an actual bed.
an actual bed. And a shower, a real shower. Oh, and just the small luxuries in life that we take for granted. So yeah, I guess I'll end it here, and then perhaps continue with some more walking videos, and then I'll see you in Pembrokeshire. Bye!